last from June to July, all beneath the pinkish sky from